Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the NPM package Stripe, which you will need in order to make your donor dude application work in order to accept donations. It's really simple. First of all, after having your donor dude application installed from the Wix app market, you hover over Dev mode on the top of your Wix editor. Click on turn on Dev mode. Once that has been done, click on the icon which says packages and apps. Over here you will see that your donor dude application has been installed, but you need to go on the top where it's written NPM and click on the plus sign and click on install NPM package. On the search bar you search for Stripe, that is STRIPE. You install the first one which has the description Stripe API wrapper, and you click on install. This might take a few seconds to do so, but once this has been done, you will see the Stripe NPM package installed in your Wix website editor. And from there on, you are ready to accept donations provided you have inserted your Stripe public and secret API keys along with setting a currency.